I've got a quick lunch break, so I've made my favorite, well, one of my favorite noodles. Spicy noodles with loads of mozzarella, a fried egg, and some plain cucumbers. Honestly, like, just honestly. I had another comment asking how do I swirl my chopsticks. I just kind of grab the noodle and then swirl it. I don't know really how to explain that. You know, just grab the noodle as you would normally. Oh, these are super sticky because of the cheese. And then just kind of just swirl them, you know. I can't wait for that egg. You already know what I'm gonna do with my yolk. Poke the yolk. Do you know what? Spicy noodles and runny yolk is just an absolute dream. That yolk flavor is absolutely incredible. Swirl. Oh my god. Give me that yolk. What are you guys having for your lunch? Yum. Honestly, fried egg. Oh my god, my favorite bite. Oh my god, I broke it. I broke my sunshine. And I'm running out of time. Anyway, I'm gonna have this and I'll speak to you later. Peace.